1.10 Animal Song. A. Listen, repeat, and sing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, hen, hen. Count to 10. Goat, goat. Get your coat. Mouse, mouse. Build a house. Chick, chick. Make it quick. Cat, cat. Find your hat. Bear, bear. Go upstairs. Kite, kite. Say good night. Sheep, sheep. Go to sleep. B. Listen, repeat, and tell more rhyming words. 10. Hen, coat, goat. Hat, cat. Good night. 1.10 Animal Song. A. Listen, repeat, and sing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hen, hen. Count to 10. Goat, goat. Get your coat. Mouse, mouse. Build a house. Chick, chick. Make it quick. Cat, cat. Find your hat. Bear, bear. Go upstairs. Kite, kite. Say good night. Sheep, sheep. Go to sleep. B. Listen, repeat, and tell more rhyming words. 10. Hen, coat, goat. Hat, cat. Good night.